Cheese ape is a popular street food in India, and it is easy to see why. It is made with just a few simple ingredients, but it is so flavorful and addictive. The cheese is melted and gooey, the bananas are sweet and ripe, and the spices add a delicious depth of flavor. In this video, I will show you how to make cheese ape at home. It is so easy to make, you will be surprised. All you need is some cheese, bananas, a few spices, and a pan. I will also give you some tips for making the perfect cheese ape. So what are you waiting for? Try cheese ape. It is the perfect snack for a quick and easy meal.